two questions. Every woman that's been coming to my salon has always those two questions. And I'm talking about clients who they've been wearing their hair dark, not necessarily black, but browns and darker. And it could be as well dark blonde. The first question is, if she's gonna be going lighter for a lower maintenance, for a color that's gonna blend with her gray that's coming through recently, will that wash her face out? The second question is, what's the point from going lighter or slightly lighter from level 1 to 6 to level 7 or 7 and 8 if she still need to color her roots? So these two questions are very important, especially if you do have, I would say 35% of gray and above. Will you feel that your face is washed out? Will you feel that your skin is pale? And if you're gonna be coloring your roots again, what's the point from doing all this process? I need you to focus here with me because it's a little bit technical, but it's very important. What we're doing here is creating a transitional area. Now, when you come to the salon, we call it a preparation. Okay? You come to the salon, we prepare the length to what's gonna come in the future. Then, before achieving what's gonna come in the future, we need to create a transitional area. I will explain to you in detail so you don't get lost here. I need you to know that the end goal is always to create low maintenance color, create depth in the color where you don't feel like your face is washed out. Eventually one day give you the option to stop coloring if you want to stop coloring. And the most importantly, stop feeling annoyed from any regrowth. Because I explained in many of my videos, what bothers you usually about the gray, it's not the gray or it's not the regrowth. And even if you don't have a gray and you're doing roots color because you've been doing a color different than your natural, so it's not about the roots growth. It's about the contrast, the difference between what you've been doing all your life and what's coming through your head. So the minute you prepare the length and you go lighter, the prepared area, they're gonna be a nice color, but it's not gonna be the ideal color to blend right away with your roots. So what you need to do, what we need to do, us and you, we need to create a transitional area between the prepared length and the new regrowth. This transitional area, it's gonna get better and better every time you retouch up your hair color. Because the first time, you're gonna see the length not perfect. It's gonna feel like it's a little bit washing you out. The color is not the ideal color that you want. But the problem is, this is the only achievable option so far. You push over the limits of your hair, then instead of fixing a problem, you're entering a bigger problem, which is the damage, the burn. You know, you don't want to put yourself in the position that you fix one issue and you create multiple issues. So what we do, we take you to a safe zone through the lens where the color looks like, okay, it's light enough. The shade, the reflection is not the perfect one for the skin. Not for everyone, but in some cases, I'm talking about some people, especially for those clients who they used to see themselves in a certain depth, certain color. So this big change is always gonna be a shock for them. Then they're gonna notice that time after time, when we start coloring the regrowth, which I'm calling it now the transitional area, and that takes usually around 6 months, you're gonna notice that the color is starting to get better, deeper, even if we're coloring the roots, but we start to color the roots once every 6 weeks instead of once every 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Then we shift to coloring the roots once every 2 months. then once every 3 months. Then after 2 or 3 rounds of roots color, the plan change, and we start covering your gray less. And that's where you enter the perfect gray blending period that we've been working on it. Soon we enter the gray blending period, means we start covering the gray less and less, but we will not have an issue at that time because we've been preparing for it. We've been creating a transitional area after it. And now we're entering the gray blending where you color your roots maybe once every few months. The coloring period, it takes 10 to 15 minutes maximum. And you will have the option to stop coloring completely if you want to stop coloring. If you don't want to stop coloring, you will have the option to just blend the gray without having it so visible. And at that stage, the color, because you've been doing it over and over, so you got rid of all the brassiness. The lightness of the color is quite nice now. It's light, but it's not washed out color. It has a bit of depth to it because you've been over and over touching it up and cleansing all the unwanted shades. So by the end of this transition, which is the transitional area, so the first visit to the salon is the preparation. Then the transitional area, which is going to take around 3 to 6 months, depending on every case. In some clients, we don't have the transitional area, but in people who they have a darker color, we need to create this transitional area. But soon you enter the gray blending zone. That's where you feel the relief. You feel like you can leave your hair as it is. You don't need to color it. Even if you do or you do not color it, you will not bother about the growth of the roots. Your face will not feel washed out anymore. And that's where you see the point from why you needed to color the roots again after the preparation of the length for a couple of times or 2 to 3 times before you enter the low maintenance or you enter the period where you have to stop coloring completely. Hopefully this makes sense for you guys. Patient is the key here. You should never expect that from one visit to the hair salon, all your problems will be fixed. A first step, the major step, which is the gray blending preparation, has to be done. Then you enter the transitional time, which doesn't apply on everyone, but it applies on a good percentage of people who they've been coloring their roots dark and very often before you enter the low maintenance period. Hopefully that wasn't confusing. Cheers.